close your eyes. Imagine drifting through the vast expanse of space, weightless and free. The darkness around you isn't empty, it's filled with distant lights, stars that have burned for billions of years, each one a sun to its own world. But tonight, we are not here to visit any ordinary star. Tonight, we travel to a cosmic giant, a behemoth among the celestial bodies, the biggest star in the known universe. The journey will be long, but time is different out here. You don't feel the years passing, only the silent pull of the void guiding you forward. As you approach, the darkness begins to recede, and a warm golden glow appears on the horizon. The biggest star in the universe is waking up before you, its presence overwhelming, almost beyond comprehension. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to stand in the presence of something so vast that it defies all human understanding? Stay with me. This journey is about to get even more incredible. As you drift closer, you begin to grasp its sheer scale. Our sun, that life-giving sphere of heat and light, could fit inside this star millions of times over. If placed in the center of our solar system, its edges would swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, even Saturn, disappearing into its fiery embrace. The star's surface is an ever-moving ocean of plasma, waves of superheated gases rising and collapsing like planetary tsunamis. The colors shift: deep crimson, golden orange, shimmering violet. Every ripple a dance of nuclear fusion, where hydrogen is torn apart and reborn as energy. The light isn't just bright, it's all-consuming. If you were close enough, even the protective shields of the most advanced spacecraft would fail within moments. The radiation, the heat, the intensity, this is not a place meant for life. And yet here we are, observing something so vast and powerful that it defies understanding. Can you even begin to imagine how immense this is? Take a moment to picture it. How small do you feel in comparison? Every few moments the star pulses, its outer layers expanding and contracting, its own gravity struggling to contain the energy within. These pulses send out waves, echoes that travel across the cosmos, distorting space itself. It is as if the star breathes, a slow, rhythmic motion of a celestial being that has existed for millions of years. And then a question forms in your mind. How long has this giant been here? And how much time does it have left? The biggest stars burn the fastest. Unlike our sun, which will shine for billions of years, this titan is a cosmic firework, brilliant but fleeting. Deep within its core, nuclear reactions rage at an unimaginable scale. It is running out of fuel, growing unstable. One day, perhaps tomorrow, perhaps in a few million years, it will collapse under its own weight. But its story does not end there. You are still here, drifting in the cosmic abyss, staring into the heart of the largest star in the known universe. Its surface roils with immense energy, its pulsating waves distorting the fabric of space itself. The sheer scale of this celestial titan is almost incomprehensible, yet despite its power, its time is limited. As we discovered, the biggest stars burn the brightest, but they also live the shortest lives. This behemoth is approaching the end of its existence, and what happens next will be one of the most violent, yet awe-inspiring events in the cosmos. Take a deep breath. Our journey is not over. Now we witness the final moments of this celestial giant. The core of this enormous star has been engaged in an unrelenting battle against gravity. For millions of years, nuclear fusion has counteracted the immense pull inward, sustaining this star's grandeur. But now, the fuel is almost gone. No longer can it keep the balance. The delicate dance between creation and destruction is nearing its final step. The star begins to shudder. The nuclear furnace that once roared with unthinkable energy is collapsing. Within mere moments on a cosmic scale, the core reaches an unfathomable density, squeezing matter into a space so tight that the very laws of physics begin to break down. Then, it happens. A supernova. A blinding flash. A wave of energy so powerful that for a brief moment it outshines an entire galaxy. Layers of the star explode outward, sending elements forged in its core, carbon, oxygen, iron, into the far reaches of space. The shockwave travels at millions of miles per hour, reshaping everything in its path. If we were watching from a nearby planet, we would see the sky light up with an intensity greater than 1,000 suns. It would be a sight of both incredible beauty and overwhelming devastation. But the story doesn't end here. The remnants of this explosion have two possible fates. For a star this large, only two outcomes remain. If its collapsing core is heavy enough, it will form a black hole, a region of space so dense, so powerful, that not even light can escape its grasp. Time and space will fold in on themselves, and what was once the mightiest star in the universe will become an abyss, a tear in reality itself. But if the core retains just enough outward pressure, it may resist total collapse. Instead of a black hole, it could become a neutron star, an object so dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh billions of tons. Its magnetic field would be billions of times stronger than Earth's, and if it spins rapidly enough, it could become a pulsar, sending rhythmic beams of radiation into the darkness like a cosmic lighthouse. Either fate is extraordinary. Either fate is final. Though the star itself is gone, its influence echoes through eternity. The elements it forged now drift across the universe, waiting to be pulled together by gravity once more. New stars will form, new planets will take shape, and perhaps, in the far future, life will emerge in some unknown corner of the galaxy. But let's bring this even closer to home. You are made of stardust, the carbon in your body, the oxygen in your lungs, the iron in your blood. It all originated in ancient stars, just like this one. The same cosmic process that ended the life of this stellar giant also gave birth to everything you know. So, as you drift here in the silent abyss, take a moment to appreciate this cosmic truth. You are not separate from the universe. You are a part of it, a direct result of a process that began billions of years ago, before Earth, before the sun, before time as we know it. The echoes of the explosion fade into the void. What was once the biggest star in the universe is now a whisper among the galaxies, its legacy written in the very fabric of existence. You continue to drift, weightless, carried by the soft glow of distant stars. You are part of this vast, endless cosmos, an observer, a traveler, a dreamer. Perhaps in another place, another time, you will witness the birth of a new giant, a new story waiting to unfold. For now you rest, cradled by the universe itself. Let the warmth of the stars surround you. Let your mind drift beyond the edge of reality, where time slows and all things become one. Close your eyes. Breathe deeply. The universe is still watching over you.